This video will demonstrate how to check for and perform firmware upgrades using the Alibi Vigilant 2.0 app. Once you have the app open, next to your device listing, you will see an orange arrow shortcut indicating a firmware upgrade option. Tap the orange arrow icon to view devices displaying a red upward arrow, which signifies that a firmware update is available. Select the device to view the current firmware version and the latest available version, then choose Upgrade to proceed. You can also tap the three dots next to the device and choose the Set option. This will display the main NVR and all connected cameras. A red upward arrow next to any device indicates that a firmware upgrade is available. Tap the device name, device info, and current version to view the current firmware and confirm the upgrade option. And finally, you can also access firmware updates from Live View. Select your device, then tap the configuration icon in the top right corner. From there, select the device info and current version to view available firmware upgrades and proceed with the update. That's how you check for and perform firmware upgrades within the Alibi Vigilant 2.0 app. For additional support or more tutorials, please refer to our other training videos on YouTube or our website.